My name is Michael Snedden. I'm from England.
My name is Annie.
My name is Chris Costas. I live in Napa Valley, California.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Mi nombre es Gerardo.
Yeah, my name is Dan Davey from Bristol in the UK.
I'm James Gilly. I'm 27-year-old and from the UK. Kind of started losing my hair when I was about 18-year-old. When I was younger, I had really, really thick hair. So when it started going thin, it was noticeable. My family tried to put us off and say, you're all right. Friends are honest. My partner, honest. Yeah, so gradually every year it was getting worse and worse. And then I had a couple of friends that came to Turkey, had theirs done, recommended, took it from there really, yeah. No, not really. I let them be the guinea pigs and then just took it myself after that, yeah. I was a little bit nervous like the day before, and then when I got here, especially when they shaved my head, and then from there it was all professional, so it calmed us down a bit, yeah. So it's really easy to find Hair of Istanbul. I got in contact through WhatsApp, and from there they do everything for you. It's so simple. I really, really recommend Hair of Istanbul. Really, really thankful for the guys, everyone. They're all so helpful. Couldn't thank them enough. One of the best places I've been.